Hi, I'm Spencer Lyon with the applications team here at Lincoln Electric. Today we're going to be talking about a couple of our low hydrogen 7018 electrodes. So I have our Excalibur 7018 and our newer IronArc 7018 electrode here. Both electrodes can be used across multiple industry applications, and they have different performance uses for each one. So looking at our Excalibur 7018 here, Excalibur is typically used in structural applications, shipbuilding, and just general fabrication. So I'm going to show you guys a 2F fillet weld and a 3F fillet weld, and we're going to see what happens. So we just looked at our Excalibur 7018, now we're going to take a look at our IronArc 7018 electrode here and its industry uses. So typically our IronArc 7018 is used for pipeline repair, integrity work, pressure vessels, boilers, typically welded on pipe basically. IronArc has a nice soft arc profile, has great toe wetting ability, and a good stacking ability for you to get around the pipe in a meaningful manner. We're going to show you guys a couple applications here on a couple different size pipe coupons and show you guys the performance of IronArc. So I've shown you today what Lincoln Electric has to offer with low hydrogen 7018 electrodes, with both Excalibur and IronArc being available. Both have their benefits in specific industry applications, but both can be used across multiple industry applications. So it's a matter of your weld, your choice of which electrode you'd like to use. For more information, please visit lincolnelectric.com.